Welcome to Soi 11, Bangkok's undisputed heavyweight champion of nightlife. It's loud, it's vibrant, and it's a lot. But right here, in the middle of the madness, sits the Ambassador Hotel. I've stayed all over the city, but I wanted to see if this legendary spot could actually offer a peaceful home base in the center of the storm. The second you step off the street, the volume knob on the city just turns down. It's an instant vibe shift from party central to pleasant sanctuary. Now, let's talk strategy. I stayed here for several weeks, and here's a pro tip. Book a few days or weeks in advance through Google. During the low season in June and July, I was snagging rooms for about $60 to $70 a night. And yes, that includes the buffet breakfast. The Ambassador is in a prime spot. You've got tour groups, solo travelers, and people like me all looking for that sweet spot of affordable and near everything. The lobby is massive. It has that classic international grand hotel feel. I was staying in the Sky Wing, which is basically the I'm treating myself section of the hotel. It's more expansive and definitely feels a step up. Walking into the room, the first thing you notice is the space. Modern hotels are starting to feel like luxury shoeboxes, but the Ambassador has that older construction charm, meaning you actually have room to breathe. First impressions? Clean, crisp, and surprisingly large. The restroom is spotless, featuring a massive wash basin, a well-maintained toilet, and a dedicated, clean shower section. It's got that polished feel that makes a long-term stay much more comfortable. The king-sized bed is absolutely huge, plenty of room to starfish after a long day of exploring. Beside it sits a large, comfortable sofa, and the room comes fully loaded with all the standard hotel amenities you'd expect. And then, there's the view. I was here during the July rainy season. There is something incredibly therapeutic about watching a tropical downpour hit the hotel pool and waterfall while you're comfortable inside. It looks absolutely exquisite, like a private, watery oasis. If you need to get some work done, there's a great little cafeteria tucked away near the Sky Wing and the convention center. It faces a lush, indoor tropical green area, though you do need to buy something from the cafe to enjoy the seat. As you walk into the breakfast area, you're greeted by a massive spread that looks like it could feed half of Bangkok. It covers everything from a full continental lineup to some really solid Asian flavors. I particularly liked the cakes and pastries, and there are plenty of fruit and egg options to choose from. Now, a quick survival tip for the late sleepers: do not roll in right at closing time. If you do, you'll miss everything because they take it away pretty fast. My advice? Arrive at least an hour before they wrap up so you can get all those different food options to your table while it's still fresh. My time at the Ambassador really showed me a different side of Bangkok. At night, the whole street shifts into this undeniable nightlife vibe, a mix of energy and music that you really have to be there to experience. Location-wise, you're basically cheating. You're a few minutes walk from Nana BTS, 10 minutes from the incredible flavors of Soi Arab, and a 10-minute stroll to a Sock and Terminal 21 mall. You're surrounded by clubs and enough Southeast Asian restaurants to ensure you never have to eat the same meal twice. I'm taking you to a peaceful corner that most tourists walk right past. Ready to see more of what makes this city so addictive? Subscribe for more hotel deep dives and restaurant finds.